Yes, you're seeing correct. That is Action and welcoming us to Portland. Greetings and welcome to RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. Today our journey is going to be taking us from the Portland St. Thomas border point as we make our way from the St. Thomas area moving into Portland. And our final destination in this videocast will be in Manchioneal. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around and enjoy the journey with us. For those who are new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way in. And if value was added or you receive a new perspective, please go ahead and turn the like button blue. Don't hesitate to share this with your friends and family so they can be informed as to the current progress on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now, as we make our way, we're heading towards the Ectorovic community, and then we're going to be coming upon a flat grass area, after which we're going to move into further sections of Portland where you can see actual roadworks taking place. This journey is expected to be one which provokes interest as we are seeing the dilapidated state of the road network currently, and this is unimproved road that has been here for many years, and this is what we have to work with. However, as we move further down, after we have passed the Seaside Basic School area, we're going to be moving to see what it looks like at the Happy Grove area, where we're seeing the road development taking place, and this is indeed interesting road work. They have pressed the road and we are driving on Mall currently. However, we're still waiting on that layer of tar and asphalt to be placed on it, and based on the fact that rain periodically falls in this area, you can see some areas where they have potholes, and this is a great flat grass area where we spent quite a bit of our formative years. But we're not going to be heading up the hill where we have our friends and family. We're just going to head straight down towards Manchioneal. We're going to head straight towards Manchioneal. So yes, this is the beautiful parish of Portland. This is one of my favorite parish in Jamaica. I do enjoy St. Thomas. It's peaceful, it's calm, but Portland is just immaculate. It's impeccable, especially for those persons who desire to have an intimate relationship with animals, not in that kind of way, and nature, just to be close and one with the creation of God. It is a beautiful parish. The energy, the feeling, the vibration, it is just so simple, and you would be amazed as to what you can accomplish. It gives you an opportunity to clear your mind from the hustle and bustle of the town and the hectic lifestyle. So things in this area is more serene, calm, tranquil, just to give you a few expressive words for you to understand. So this is the mention of the road that we are currently seeing. All that needs to be done right now, the drains have already been placed in, is to lay the final layer and press, and then we're good to go after they have done that and also lined the road. The roads are a bit narrow, but that is something that we can work with. This area that you're looking at is a section that leads us all the way back into the Scotch Run area. For those who are familiar with Portland, then you'll have an idea as to the Scotch Run area. And now we're going to be making our way further down as we continue to observe the changes taking place on this road network, this road thoroughfare. And we have a lot of banana trees and a lot of fruit trees in this area. Most of these lands that you're seeing along the highway area, these are farm lands. The starting price for these lands are about 20,000 to about 40,000. And I'm not quite sure, or I'm not remembering at this time, the division of the acreage for these lands here. But if that is something that you're interested in, then we can make provision to swing by and get that information on your behalf. So we have a few coconut trees as well in this geography. And as we say, this area is peaceful. There is not much hustle and bustle taking place. You may find people walking on this road, walking from flat grass all the way to Long Bay, and that is normal practice. Though in this modern era, a lot of persons have vehicles, or you may see someone on the road riding a horse or a donkey, or even on a bike or a bicycle. This is commonplace. It's nothing to be afraid of, ashamed of. It is just something to be embraced. You know, the simple things in life, those are what presents to be most important for these people in this geography. And this is the beautiful terrain. I only wish that you could have seen it in its absolute glory, instead of just visualizing from a video camera, which is just giving you the perspective that it has been programmed to give you, and not necessarily bright arrays of colors that we are actually seeing. because this image is not a true reflection or representation of the beauty that we're passing at this moment. As we press forward, this is still a section of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is section 1C, which comes to its conclusion at the Manchioneal Central. So this is going to take us all the way to Manchioneal, and then section D through H would be from the Manchioneal area all the way back to Port Antonio. But our intention for this footage is to take you to the end point of section 1C. So you can use your eyes to visually inspect the surrounding. And as we say, the day is pretty overcast, so that is why we're not seeing the bright, vibrant colors that we're accustomed to. It was almost dark if you would have been able to see it yourself, but the colors of the plants and the scenery, the people in the community, they were happy, they were colorful in their attire, also in their spirit. So the vibration in this area is just so peaceful. And we continue on this leg of the road. So at this time we're going to leave you so you can enjoy all that is happening. And at the end of the road, we are going to be meeting up, and we're going to be seeing Anne-Marie Vaz, who is the caretaker MP for this division of Portland. And while we're looking at it, you're going to also see some road work that had taken place after we had passed this location. I tell you that today you're seeing one thing, and then tomorrow the road just change and transform. But to enjoy as we navigate. So now we're coming around towards the Manchioneal area, moving to the Manchioneal police station. And this is a Manchioneal police station serving the people in the Manchioneal district. And Manchioneal is wide geography, so you will understand how far Manchioneal spans as we traverse this territory. So now we're coming to the conclusion of Manchioneal. So this is the end of the road. Thanks for joining us on this excursion here on RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. I'm gonna just leave the MP for this area to take us out, and see you in the next session when we'll be making our way from this point in Manchioneal all the way to where this journey all began. Long Bay. Thanks for watching and see you at the end of the road. Walk, ride, drive, and fly good.